Well, this is Miss V here. Today I'm participating in the DIY Mama's Outdoor Challenge. I have started working on my front porch. I created this cushion with Dollar Tree tablecloth. I'll link that video in the description box. And I did it with the tablecloth because the way my roof line is, when it rains, the bench gets wet. So I had to do it with something that was durable. So what I did, I had to go to Dollar Tree and get some of the little Velcro stickers, because every time I come home, the cushion is blown. When it rains, you know, and the wind blows, it blows the cushion away. So I added that. So I'll link that video in the description box. Nice and simple. And if you've been watching my channel, you know about my fairy garden. Tiers. I call them the tiered fairy garden because it's 4 different levels. And so in this video, I'm going to be doing several things. First of all, my poor little plants got too much sun. It's going to be hard for me to grow live plants on my porch because I get so much sunlight. But I am going to plant some live plants, but what I'll do is just bring them out when I want them to have some sun. So I'll be planting them in these 2 pots that are on the bicycle planter. And I'm also going to be doing a little DIY with this basket weave or rattan planter, or whatever you call it. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna be doing a variety of things. The first thing I'm gonna do is sweep, because as you can see, it needs a little cleaning. So I'm gonna be doing a little cleaning. Some of the DIYs I'll show you on camera, and some of them I will not. So, you know, at the end, of course, I'll reveal everything that I've done in this video. And I want to thank Christina for hosting this quarterly challenge. Is always fun. I've been participating ever since November of 2017, and I enjoy every challenge that I participate in that's related to the DIY Mama. So that's it. So I'm going ahead and get started, and I'll be back. What I'm going to do is create some pillows to go on my outdoor bench, and what I'm going to be using is an old pillow that I no longer need. So I'm going to use the stuffing from that. I'm going to be using this Fix All glue from the Dollar Tree, which I do not care for, but I'm going to use it for this project. This I Really Love You, Really Like You towel that I got from the Dollar Tree. Wish I could have found 2. I only found 1. So I got to improvise. And another one of these tablecloths. So I'm going to get everything prepared, and then I'll walk you through it. Towel that I'm going to use for a pillow. What I've done is went ahead and ironed the wrinkles out, and I'm going to add this. I didn't have any black ribbon, so you know, oh, that's blue. Is that blue? I can't tell you. It looks like it's blue. Hold on, let me go find some black ribbon. Okay, this is what I've done. I've cut the trim off of the towel all the way around and just split it down the middle to make 2 pieces. And I took that same pattern and cut out some of the tablecloth. I'm gonna make 2 of these pillows. And so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and glue them around the perimeter to form the pillow. And I'm going to turn these. I trimmed it with some black ribbon that I had. Actually, it was some polka dot ribbon that I flipped over on the other side. It's on my iron board, y'all, so this iron is stains. So I left an opening right here, and I'm gonna stuff it, and then it's gonna be this pillow. So I just wanted to trim it to cover up the edges, and I think the black really makes it pop with the bicycle being black itself. Using the hot glue with this one, the key is once I let my hot glue get hot, I let it cool down before I actually use it, and it didn't melt the plastic. So I left an opening, of course, and I tried to trim the edges off. You want it to be as neat as possible. Even though you're doing a DIY, you still want it to look nice. So I got my stuffing from my old pillow, and the key to this is make sure you when you put the stuffing in, make sure you tuck it in the corners real good to form your pillow. So I'm gonna show you that. Like the corners, tuck your stuffing down in each one of the corners real good. And just keep stuffing it, and then you'll form a pillow. So stay tuned for the reveal. I ended up making 4 of the damask pillows. As you can see, I tried to get it as neat as I could, but I end up using the hot glue. As I said earlier, I just wait till the hot glue cool down. I really like this. So this is my bench with my pillows, so when it rains my pillows won't get wet because they back a little further. And I potted that foliage plant in this ceramic pot that I've had for years, and it got my Mr. Frog, the pot holder, the pot climber. Y'all know, remember those from the Dollar Tree. And then I moved my my fairy garden closer to the front of the porch. And over here, my bicycle, I just took the planter and added some soil at the bottom, and then I added these rocks from the Dollar Tree, and I just stuck a succulent in there from the Dollar Tree, because this area of my porch gets so much sun it'll kill real plants. So this is I think this is one of those tropical plants. What I'll do is just take it in the house every day. And this is my cute little wheelbarrow that I purchased from Hobby Lobby last year on clearance for 70 cents. I just got it there. I may plant something in there, but right now it's just sitting there, and that's it. So this is it. Thank you, Christina, DIY Mommy, for hosting this challenge. I love doing outdoor DIYs. So my DIY for this challenge was the pillows, and I also finished decorating my porch, because I had originally started with the spring sign and my spring wreath that's on the door. And you're welcome, my welcome sign at the door. So this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love and encourage you, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.